Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm coming on to share with you the Heartfelt Creations Backyard Blossoms collection. I have cut out the stamps and dies so that you can see just how well they cut, and I also colored them. So first up is the Blooming Coneflower. It looks like this, and you probably have seen this already because I have done some of the card kit, but I'll show you how it looks cut out. It's really pretty. Let me see if I can zoom out just a little bit so you can see it's a really big cutout, and it fits in the palm of my hand, as you can see. Really nice. And then here's the other one. I think this comes in an essentials pack, like if you just want to get the stamp and die and a paper pad. So I'll link this in the description box below if you're interested in where I picked this up. So here it is. This makes a beautiful card, and I'll share with you some examples of the cards that I made already with the card kit. If you just want to sample the collection, if you don't want to buy it all, or if you do want to buy it all, it's a good price. So there you go, and here is the stamp. That's how it looks, and this is the information on the back, and it comes with coordinating die. Okay, and then next up is the Garden Edge Coneflower. Looks like this. This is the information on the back. And here's the dies. That's how it looks. And here are the cuts. This is how it looks. Really pretty. Nice scene cards. Great for summer. Here's one. These go well with a lot of the other collection that's already out right now. The butterfly collection that just previously was released. A lot of butterflies flying through this field of coneflowers and other greenery and stuff. You can accent it with all the other pieces. And then here is the Backyard Blossoms. That's what I just showed you, and that's how it looks on the back. And this is the coordinating die. And I just shared with you all the pieces from that. And so in case you missed my videos, I'll share with you the cards that I made from the card kit. Here is the one that I just made. That's how it looks. And then I'll also share with you the paper is gorgeous. So let me get that. Do a flip through real quick. Tags, lots of pretty papers. Let's see if I can zoom out some more. Alright. Really beautiful scenes of the coneflowers. Nice page. Lots of tags and cut aparts for those mini albums. Okay, and then I'll flip it back. Been crafting all day. inks to put up. Alright, there you go. Lots of pretty papers. Okay, and then here is the other card that I just made. It's a beautiful card. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful. In case you were wondering about the collection, I'll link it in the description box below if you're interested in picking it up. If it's sold out, maybe you can message Ruby and she can order it for you, or if you're just interested in the essentials, where it's just I believe it's just a die and a stamp set and the paper pad. It's a really good deal. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.